Hey everyone, welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into a staple of every mover and shipper's toolkit, the Scotch Heavy Duty Shipping and Moving Packing Tape. This isn't just any packing tape. It's renowned as one of the best 3M heavy-duty options out there. Let's kick things off with what makes this tape stand out. First off, it comes in a pack of 6 rolls, each equipped with its own handy dispenser. Perfect for those who pack and move frequently or need to ship items securely. Now, what sets this tape apart? It's all about that industrial strength adhesive. It's solvent-free and sticks instantly, ensuring your boxes stay sealed even under rough handling conditions. Plus, it works on all box types, including those tricky 100% recycled ones. One thing I love about this Scotch tape is its reliability. Unlike some cheaper options, you only need one strip per seam, no slivering, splitting, or tearing. It's a time saver and frustration reducer, especially when you've got a mountain of boxes to seal. Speaking of which, if you're gearing up for a move or regularly ship packages, this tape is your best friend. The included dispensers make application precise and efficient, with fallback tabs to keep the tape ready for your next box. Let's see it in action. Here, I'm sealing up a standard moving box. Notice how smoothly it applies. That's the Scotch promise, secure packaging without the hassle. In terms of user experience, it's clear why this tape has earned its stripes as a #1 bestseller in its category on Amazon. Now, how does it stack up against alternatives? Sure, there are other packing tapes out there, but few combine the reliability, ease of use, and sheer quantity you get with this Scotch pack. Wrapping up, if you're in the market for packing tape that won't let you down, look no further than Scotch Heavy Duty Shipping and Moving Packing Tape. It's the go-to choice for professionals and home movers alike, offering peace of mind with every seal. That's all for today's review. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more in-depth product critiques. Until next time, happy packing!